Pouches are useful for storing personal items and can also be stylish, like this crochet piece, the granny square pouch. Hello there and welcome to Chives. Today's video tutorial will show you how to easily create this trendy granny square pouch. You will be needing the following materials. To create the classic granny square, visit the links in the description box for the pattern. Once you have created 4 pieces of the granny square, we will be joining them together. Take 2 pieces of the granny squares and join them together with the right sides together. Prepare your darning needle and thread in 5 to 6 inches of violet yarn. The right side of the granny square is smooth with crisp stitches, the wrong side of the granny square is bumpy. Secure the first stitch with a knot and sew together on the back loops of every stitch in row. You will be only joining one side of each square together. Fasten off and weave in any loose ends. This is what the stitch will look like on the right side of the fabric. Sew the other 2 pieces of the granny squares together and set aside. Take the 2 joined pieces and join with the right sides together. We will now be sewing 3 sides of the rectangular fabric together, sewing on the back loops of every stitch. Once you have reached the last stitch of the last side, fasten off and weave in any loose ends. Turn the pouch inside out. Let's now create the strap for your pouch. Take your violet yarn and gray yarn and insert on the sewn portion, in between the two long sides of the fabric and secure with a knot. Reinsert your hook into the sewn portion. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Take your violet yarn and position onto your fingers. Wind the gray yarn onto the front of the hook and hold into place. Yarn over the violet yarn and pull through the 3 loops on your hook. You now have the violet yarn left on your hook. Wind the gray yarn onto the front of the hook. Yarn over the violet yarn and pull through both loops in your hook. Keep on repeating the pattern for the strap until you have reached the desired length for your pouch. The finished strap is stretchy. Once you have the desired length, join on the top of the sewn portion of the long side of the fabric with a slip stitch. Fasten off and weave in any loose ends. Until the next video, thank you for watching and happy crocheting.